Imagine turning your voice into a money-making machine. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you have a smooth, silky voice or an energetic tone, there's a way to transform those vocal cords into cold, hard cash. We're talking about earning money without ever showing your face, just you, your voice, and a world of opportunities. Are you curious about how much you could make? What if I told you that some people are earning thousands of dollars just by speaking? Intriguing, isn't it? In this video, we'll explore 12 ways you can do this too. From quick, easy methods to earn a few bucks, all the way to strategies that could potentially replace your full-time job. Are you ready to discover how your voice could be your ticket to financial freedom? Let's dive in. 1. Freelance voiceover on Fiverr and Upwork. Freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to start if you're new to voiceover work. You can offer services like voiceovers for ads, product videos, or even video games. Example: a beginner can sign up on Fiverr and create a gig service, offering voiceovers for YouTube videos or podcasts. At first, you might set your price low, around $5.10 per project. Once you get positive reviews, you can raise your rates to $25.50 for bigger projects. Tip for beginners: don't be afraid to start with low prices to build your reputation and get reviews. It's also important to invest in a good microphone and have a quiet space for recording. 2. Voices.com. A more professional platform. Voices.com is a more professional platform for people looking to do voiceover work for bigger projects like ads, cartoons, or instructional videos. The clients here are usually big companies that expect high-quality work. Example: a voiceover project for a product ad on Voices.com can pay between $200 to $1,000, depending on the length and the project's requirements. Tip for beginners: if you're just starting, sign up for a free account and upload a few short demo recordings to showcase your voice. You can upgrade to a premium account to access better job opportunities. 3. Voiceover for audiobooks on ACX. ACX is a great platform if you want to do voiceover work for audiobooks. You can choose to get paid upfront or earn a percentage of the book's sales. Example: narrating a book that is about 6-7 hours long can pay you $100 to $300 upfront, or you can earn a percentage of the sales if the book becomes popular. Tip for beginners: choose shorter projects to gain experience and build up samples of your voice to share with potential clients. Narrating audiobooks also helps you improve your skill in keeping your voice consistent over long periods. 4. Start a podcast. Podcasts are growing fast, and starting your own podcast is a great way to share your knowledge while earning money through ads and sponsorships. Example: a podcast with 1,000 listeners per episode can earn you $18.25 through ads on platforms like Anchor or Spotify. As your podcast grows, brands might sponsor your content, leading to even bigger earnings. Tip for beginners: pick a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Plan your episodes and release them regularly. Consistency is the key to building an audience. 5. Voiceover for YouTube channels. Many YouTube channels need voiceover work for storytelling, reviews, or educational videos, and you don't even have to appear on camera. Example: you can reach out to educational or entertainment YouTube channels and offer your voiceover services. You can earn between $50,200 for a 10-15 minute video, depending on the channel and content. Tip for beginners: start your own YouTube channel or collaborate with existing ones to get more voiceover opportunities and build your reputation. 6. TikTok. A platform for creativity. TikTok isn't just for fun dancing videos. You can use your voice to tell stories, react to trends, or share useful information in a creative way. Example: if your videos are popular and get millions of views, you can make money through the Creator Fund, a fund for creators, or by partnering with brands, earning from a few hundred to several $1,000s a month. Tip for beginners: create engaging and fun content regularly, and keep up with trends to attract more viewers. Connecting with the TikTok community will also help you grow faster. 7. Create and sell audio products. You can create audio products like meditation recordings, audiobooks, or background music and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Example: a collection of meditation audio files can sell for $5.20 per download, and you can sell them multiple times without having to create new ones. Tip for beginners: Pick something you enjoy, like meditation or audiobook recordings, and create high-quality products. This is a great way to make passive income since your products can sell over and over. 8. Create online courses. If you're an expert in a certain subject, you can create online courses and use your voice to teach others. Example: a course on Udemy or Skillshare can bring in between $100 and $1,000 a month, depending on how many students enroll. Tip for beginners: start with short, simple courses. Invest in a good microphone and editing software to make your course sound professional. 9. Voiceover for apps and games. App and game developers often need voices to narrate characters or provide instructions. Example: you could earn between $100 to $500 for voicing a character in a game, or even more if it's a larger project. Tip for beginners: look for opportunities on Upwork or directly contact indie game developers for your first projects. 10. Live streaming. Live streaming on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook lets you interact directly with your audience and earn money through ads, sponsorships, or viewer donations. Example: a streamer could earn $100 to $1,000 a month from viewer donations and sponsorship deals. Tip for beginners: build a loyal fan base and choose topics where you can interact with your audience, like playing games or talking about a subject you know well. 11. Voiceover for ads. Voiceover work for ads is one of the highest paying areas, especially if you work with big brands. Example: a TV or radio ad could pay between $500 to $5,000 for a project, depending on the brand's size and reach. Tip for beginners: learn the techniques of voiceover for commercials and connect with agencies or platforms like voices.com to get opportunities with big brands. 12. Voiceover for educational and corporate videos. Businesses and educational organizations often need professional voiceover work for product tutorials, training videos, or educational programs. Example: a product tutorial video for a business could earn you between $100 to $1,000, depending on the project's length and requirements. Tip for beginners: these projects usually require a clear, professional voice. Make sure your voice is well suited for the client's needs. Summary: voiceover work isn't just an art, it's a fun way to earn money. Whether you create a podcast, narrate audiobooks, make online courses, or collaborate with businesses, there are many paths you can take to build a successful voiceover career. The key is persistence, continuous learning, and a willingness to experiment with different opportunities.